guys, you can't record in the store.
No? Oh, okay. All right. We'll take it off. All right, we're here at the Goodwill Outlet in Ocala, Florida. We've never been to this one. We came last time, but it was closed. And let's hopefully we find some good stuff.
Plenty of time. People are leaving.
It's good to know.
Start this way. Pricing. Oh wow, it's split out by type. Cool.
Weird.
Ya, 2 juguetes es suficiente, papá.
But either way, like, there's crazy stuff in this. Like, I don't see the tiny one though. Oh, maybe it's this. Brand new 19. Oh, nice. 12 by 8 by 6. Sounds more accurate.
Hey, talk to me.
That and that.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, and this?
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You let me know if you need anything else. I got long arms.
Hey.
There's not like an exact, but like. Look at this.
Depending on how large the frame is.
Yeah, but I mean,
Yeah.
this part's a little messed up, but I think it's kind of supposed to be like that. It's cute. This is so cute. H&M. It's pretty nice.
I saw that. I think it's like really worn over here. Yeah.
Well, these are Nike shorts.
Oh, nice. Those are good. Go to the filter. And then go to condition. Yeah, use.
These cards belong to anyone.
You can search their cards if you want.
2
29.
cards, do they belong to anyone
13.
right here? I got
Yeah.
2 of them
24.
abandoned. Anybody want anything out of them? Go ahead, look through them. Right here.
I'm kidding you.
Oh.
She knows I'm always fun. Oh, the hats. This has been here for a while.
Yeah.
I'll take these. Mamma mia.
Help me, yeah. Help these two so far. I'm just trying to look at the ones that aren't super dirty.
Huh?
That one's nice. Are we gonna look up the hats? Do you want to? Do you want to look up the hats?
I think we could just
go
take a
with
chance.
this, right?
Okay.
Alright guys, we just left the Goodwill Outlet in Ocala. We filled a bag for $15.
$15.
With some pretty cool stuff, a couple clothing items, hats, and some miscellaneous things. We did get there later today, but hopefully next time when we go, before we leave, it'll be a little earlier and the bins will be a little more full.
Yeah, so this bins doesn't like do like a restock throughout the day. They just have like, they take all the bins there for the day and that's it. What's there is there. So
yeah.
There's no cycling of goods, which is not what we're used to.
Right.
But
yeah, the one in Miami is very different from this one. This one is really clean. They price by the pound for each category. So it was very different, but it's still very cool.
It was a lot more organized though, so I'll give them that.
And they're a lot nicer.
Yeah.
Nobody's yelling at you.
Yeah, thank goodness.
At the one that we go to, they're always like, time to pay!
Time to pay!
And they kick you out. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's like completely different than this.
Yeah, and I think at this one, we did come later, but the people were generally nicer, even just the other clientele.
Yeah. So we'll definitely come back and we'll show you guys what we do.
Yeah, a lot earlier. Hello.
Free cupcake.
I have the time, but I didn't have the money.
Ah, yeah, that can be a problem too. I get laughed at you before.
I like that accent.
I saw
Look around me.
How's that looking? Looks cool.
What other can you find? But it's cheap. Just not cheap enough. There's only one. So I'm assuming none have sold.
Yeah, look, this looks like it's broken, like this door broke or
One
whatever.
has sold for $7 back.
If we're lucky, we break even.
Do this side first? Or
Yeah.
These are kind of nice.
I'll walk
$10
around,
for-
organize, and then just come in anytime. I'll last around now.
$4?
I'm great, how are you?
With the case?
Let me get that
On the vintage.
That wouldn't be bad. Looks good.
It's more beat up than handcrafted in Belgium.
Let's I can check the other one.
Intro.
We wouldn't have left you behind.
I know.
Okay.
I see people wearing these all the time.
Oh, they're like really new.
Yeah, they're a Tasca too. Size 10.
Here, I'll look these up.
I don't like how they have $5 on each.
It's probably $5 for the
Okay.
pair. Just in case one of them falls off.
Yeah.
$9.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Yeah, it happens all the time where we find something really cool and there it's like, oh, it's $5.
Oh, these are cool. Old Reader's Digest, $2.
Cool.
Yeah, a lot of them together. I think that would be great. And there's more right here.
Okay, you wanna?
$4. Stack of them?
Yeah, screw it.
That's cool.
Why not? Well, okay, I think we're good with all this.
Yeah, this is great.
Here,
These are very cool.
I'll do this. I'll put this back.
Be out here.
We are here earlier this time, just so we have more time to look through everything.
Hopefully there's more stuff.
Oh yeah, so
Last time there were some empty bins, so
yeah.
we'll see.
And the parking lot is stacked right now,
it's
so let's see
And
what
we
we
brought
find.
my mom, so hopefully she's our good luck charm. Okay.
Yeah, let's get a card.
I'm gonna tell you right now, they ain't gonna let y'all film it here. Yeah, they're gonna get right on y'all so fast.
All right.
Did it really?
Yeah, we were all right the other day, but
All right.
if they say something, we'll put
take
it
it
out.
off.
All right.
Right.
Appreciate it, then.
Hey guys, you can't record in the store.
No? Oh, okay. All right. We'll take it off. Thanks so much for watching our thrifting to resell video. And even though we weren't able to record at our second visit to the Goodwill Bins, we did pick up a lot of cool stuff, and some things have already sold from there, like these motorcycle gloves for $25 and this cycling helmet for another $21.
Yeah, we really enjoyed our time just exploring different thrift stores in the Ocala area. And if you have any suggestions of ones that we should visit in the future, let us know in the comments below.
So thank you again so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. We're having a whatnot auction next Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
We'll put links in the description for that.
Yes, so if you want to come by for some laughs and some great deals, we're selling a lot of things from hats to physical media like games and vinyl. We hope to see you there.
We'll see you in the next video.